Hey, this is Resto-Rob and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to work on some vintage rocket hammers produced by True Temper. So sit back, relax, and see how I clean these two hammers up. I've got these rocket hammers, True Temper rocket hammers that I've been wanting to clean up for a while. So these are going to be in the queue as well. So looking forward to putting these together. This rocket, can't see the markings too well. Red apple paint. And then this rocket hammer. So here we have our rocket hammer with the black rubber grip cleaned up, and then here we have our rocket with the brown grip cleaned up. So you can kind of see the differences. Not much, but enough for them to be different. So hey everybody, glad you watched. Hopefully you enjoyed the cleanup of these two hammers, the two rocket hammers, True Temper. I think they look pretty cool, so I'm pretty much pleased with how they came out. Let me know how you feel, or if you have a favorite, or if you think they're both pretty damn good. So as always, stay safe, and we will check you later.